Here's some more chainmail that I had printed by Shapeways. Set on the left here is 484 rings. The rings are 0.7mm wire. Inside diameter is 3.15mm and the aspect ratio is 4.5. Now these have been used for 1/5 scale ball jointed dolls. There's one of the Shapeways members, dhawktx. She has used these with a thread burner, it's called, to join sheets up to create a hauberk for one of her dolls. The second sheet here is just a same size ring, but it's just a test print to see how chains of the same size ring would turn out. And also on the end of this chain there's a link with some split rings. Again, that was just a test to see how they came out. But all in all, after some colouring with dye and paints, they turn out very well as a chainmail outfit for a scale doll. And you can see the results of the chainmail on the forum page, the Shapeways forum page that's linked to in the description.